Hello, welcome back. I'm going to go over a few new items as well as some of the old ones I've had for years. Most people know the fuel hoses. I have these 86 to 2004. Also have the tank pump to the filter and return, pump to the return. These are fairly new fuel rail crossover hoses. Earl's Vapor Guard hose, pre-cut crimper. Those are just as bad, if not worse, than the fuel hoses to explode and cause a fire. I have those in a combo with a discount if you buy both. Here also, I've had this out a little while. I have the larger one with the 75 amp relay, but this has 40 amp. It's 18 feet, runs straight from the battery. The relay mounts in the trunk. You have a trigger wire you can pick up off the inertia switch, or I can put a wire in. All you have to do is mount that in the trunk over on the driver's side, where I put them attached to the ground, connect to the battery, and the positive trigger wire. High-speed fan harness, been out for a while, so several hundred of these. Plug it into your fan mount. Up near the crash sensor on the driver's side is where I put them. And so you plug into the fan, battery, has a ground lead that goes upside the relay. It can have positive or negative trigger. Usually with a aftermarket EC, you would run the positive trigger with OE type. I build it with a positive trigger for those. If you have these two, when you install a Terminator X or Dominator HP, it's going to greatly simplify. It's going to work a lot better than the factory stuff anyway, but if you install it with us, it's going to greatly simplify it. And I do build the now, it's brand new custom input-output harness, which plugs straight into the input-output connector. I know they give you the short one. You have to use butt connectors. This usually turns out pretty messy. But I could build that custom and put the connectors on, so basically just plug into the harness. It's all in one. This is the AC module. Plugs into the compressor. Pick up positive wire coming out of the cycling switch or the high pressure cutout. Ground it beside the relay. At that point it will run. AC will work. This one I went ahead and set up for the custom input-output harness, where I'll connect it in that harness. All you have to do is plug it in. Injector harness works with Holley EFI. This one has a standard braided loom, EV1. They break out bank to bank early. They fit the 50, 351, 4.6 perfectly. These are mic'd up and they're designed to fit perfectly. Having them break out gives you some room to go around fuel pressure regulators. Gives some options. Same thing, this one's an EV6. There's several variations of these. This is EV6 sleeved, water resistant, seal back shields, EV6, EV14. Same setup here, just EV1. 0 back shells. Resist, fuel, oil, and of course water. TFI adapter, Holley EFI. Plugs into the ignition, plugs into the TFI. Get the trigger off the ground, coil ground. Has no butt connectors in this one like the ones you'd normally be buying that have the big name on them. This one plugs into a GM flex sensor, plugs into the Holley power tap. It gives you a redundant connection, so it's not using up the power tap. You still have it available for something else. This goes into an input to feed the information into the Holley. I have most of those already on the website. If you need something different or whatever, just call or send me a message. We'll get it together. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.